Welcome to FYERS educational video series. In this video tutorial, we will continue with our discussion on technical analysis. By the end of this video, you will know what is a candlestick chart. Let us get started by talking about a candle chart. A candle chart is a two-dimensional chart that has time scale on the x-axis and price scale on the y-axis. A candle chart provides the same bit of information that a bar chart does. However, compared to a bar chart, a candle chart is more visually appealing because of the way it is constructed, as you can see from the image over here. Each candle within a candle chart shows the open, the high, the low, and the close for each of the chosen period. For example, if this were a monthly candle chart, each candle within this chart would show the open, the high, the low, and the close for each month. On the other hand, if this were a 1-minute candle chart, each candle within this chart would show the open, the high, the low, and the close for each 1-minute period, and so on. Let us now talk about the construction of each candle. Each candle is composed of two parts, the body and the shadow. The body refers to the rectangular portion and reflects the range between the opening price and the closing price. On the other hand, the shadow reflects the range for the period. The shadow that appears above the body is called the upper shadow, whereas the shadow that appears below the body is called the lower shadow. The top of the upper shadow represents the highest price at which the security traded for the chosen period, whereas the bottom of the lower shadow represents the lowest price at which the security traded for the chosen period. A candle could be bullish or bearish depending on its color. Generally, a candle whose body is green colored is a bullish candle whose closing price is above the opening price. A bullish candle suggests that buyers were in control of price for the chosen period. On the other hand, a candle whose body is red colored is a bearish candle whose closing price is below the opening price. A bearish candle suggests that the sellers were in control of price for the chosen period. Sometimes, the opening and the closing price could be the same or almost the same, in which case the body will resemble a horizontal line. When the open and close are the same or almost the same, it indicates that neither the buyers nor the sellers were in control of price for the chosen period. A candle could either be wide or narrow depending on its size. If the candle is tall as compared to the preceding candles, it represents a wider trading range for the chosen period. On the other hand, if the candle is small as compared to the preceding candles, it represents a narrow trading range for the chosen period. Keep in mind that the length of the candle can give subtle clues about the volatility of the security. The wider the candle, the higher the volatility, and vice versa. This is how a candle chart looks like in real time. As you can see, there are several candles over the course of this chart. Notice that the candle chart offers the same bit of information as that offered by a bar chart. The only difference is the visual appearance. The time frame used in this chart over here is monthly, which means each candle in the chart reflects the price action for each month. On a monthly time frame, each new candle is generated every month. Let us now talk about the advantages of a candle chart over the bar chart and vice versa. Compared to a bar chart, a candle chart is visually more appealing, provides greater detail about the emotional aspect of each candle in terms of who is in greater control of price, the buyers or the sellers. And because of its visual appearance, various candle patterns can be easily gleaned from a candle chart. On the other hand, compared to a candle chart, a bar chart looks less cluttered, because of which identifying the larger trend becomes relatively simpler. Before we conclude talking about candle chart, let us look at how a candle chart looks like in the real world. The charting platform that we have used over here is the FYERS web. To view a candle chart, all you must do is click on the chart type button over here and then choose candles. You could also change the time frame as per your choice by clicking on the time frame button over here. As you can see, the time frame that is currently selected is 1 day, which means a new candle will appear on each trading session. In this case, one candle would show the open, the high, the low, and the close for 1 day. Instead, if I choose something like, say, 1 week, a new candle would appear each week. In this case, one candle would show the open, the high, the low, and the close for 1 week. By scrolling down your mouse, more historical data would be displayed. That is, more candles would now be visible, as you can see over here. On the other hand, scrolling up your mouse would display fewer historical data, in that fewer candles would now be visible, as you can see over here. Well, that was all that we wanted to cover in this video. If you liked our video, do not forget to click on the like button below. Also, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and the bell icon to receive regular updates about new videos. Thank you for watching this video.